Hello, this is Joey Asher, and this is a Speechworks short that is a tip from the Rolling Stones. And the tip is this: energy makes all your content better. Consider the mega hit by the Rolling Stones, Satisfaction. The lyric is really pretty simple and frankly not that interesting. It goes something like this: I can't get no satisfaction. I can't get no satisfaction. I can't get no satisfaction, but I try, and I try, and I try, and I try. I can't get no satisfaction. That's the whole song, basically, and it's a fantastic song, but if you say it without the energy that Mick Jagger gives it, it really doesn't sound like much. So here's the point. If you take your presentation, and even if it's content that you don't think is that interesting, and if you add some energy to it, it's going to sound much, much better. So that's the idea. Take a tip from Mick Jagger and the Rolling Stones and add energy to your next presentation.